3 Best Air Conditioner in 2019. Frigidaire FFRA 0511R1 Best Budget Air Conditioner. Frigidaire FFRA 0511R1 E5000 BTU 115 volts window-mounted mini compact air conditioner with mechanical controls. 5000 BTU mini compact air conditioner for window-mounted installation uses standard 115 volts electrical outlet window mounting kit included. Quickly cools a room up to 150 square feet with dehumidification up to 1.1 pints per hour, mechanical rotary controls, 2 cool speeds, 2 fan speeds, and 2-way air direction, accommodates windows with a minimum height of 13 inches and width of 23 inches to 36 inches. Low power startup, quiet operation and effortless restart, exterior dimensions: height 12 inches. Width 16 inches. Depth 15 to 1/4 of an inch. Energy efficiency ratio EER 11.1 measures 16 inches WX 15-1/4 inches DX 12 inches. H motor RPM low 1310. The Frigidaire air conditioner FFRA 0511Q1 is perfect for cooling a room up to 150 square feet. It quickly cools a room on hot days, and the quiet operation keeps you cool without keeping you awake. This 5000 BTU 115 volts mini compact air conditioner features mechanical rotary controls and top full-width 2-way air direction control. The antibacterial mesh filter with slide-out access reduces bacteria, room odors and other airborne particles for a healthier, more comfortable environment. Low power startup conserves energy and saves you money, plus effortless restart automatically resumes operating at its previous settings when power is restored. Frigidaire's 5000 BTU mini compact air conditioner for window-mounted installation. LG LW1216ER. LG window air conditioners allow you to cool your space quietly, efficiently, and beautifully. Our innovative units were designed to fit unobtrusively inside your window frame so you can create a space that's comfortable and stylish. Adding to their beauty and functionality are a wide range of features, such as clean lines and sleek controls. Because your air conditioner shouldn't be the focal point of your room, ours boast minimalist designs that blend into the background, as well as discreet controls that won't detract from your home's decor. Additionally, with our included universal fit sleeves, you can get a secure fit that helps keep the warm air outside and the cool air in. Programmable timer, with the ability to schedule your air conditioner to turn on at a specific time, you can cool your space before you arrive home from work, while you sleep, and more. Adjustable fan speeds, for the ultimate in control, our window air conditioners allow you to adjust the fan speed, so you'll always have just the right amount of cooling. 4-way air direction, by allowing you to adjust the air's deflection, up, down, left and right, you can move air to where it's needed most. Washable filter, keep your air cool and clean. Our washable filters help to decrease the amount of dust, pollen and pollutants that circulate through your home. Remote control, with a convenient remote control, you can adjust your window air conditioner from anywhere in the room. Designed to fit beautifully into your home, our window air conditioners boast clean lines, sleek controls, and universal fit sleeves for a finished look. In addition, they give you a wide range of features, like adjustable fan speeds, programmable timers, 4-way air direction and washable filters that help keep the air you breathe not only cool, but clean. Explore our newest window units, as well as our full range of air conditioners, and find the perfect way to cool your space. 3 cooling and fan speeds with auto cool, 4-way air direction, power failure, auto restart. Remote control slide out washable filter. This appliance uses NEMA 5 to 15P standard size power plug. It's designed for a 120 volts 15A household power supply. Friedrich Chill CP06G10B. Friedrich Chill CP06G10B 6000 BTU window air conditioner. Energy Star qualified room AC installs in a window or through walls up to 7.5 deep, for rooms up to approximately 250 square ft. Fresh, new look in designer white. 24-hour timer lets you program on and off times. Air circulation, 200 cubic feet per minute auto air sweep for more even cooling throughout the room. Money Saver saves money by operating the fan only when cooling. Energy Star qualified room AC installs in a window or through walls up to 7.5 deep, for rooms up to approximately 250 square, featuring fresh, new look in designer white. This Friedrich air conditioner can be installed in standard vertical sash windows or through a wall. The AC comes with installation hardware for each type. For flexible integration into your environment, this window AC includes a 6-foot, 115-volt power cord that runs either left or right through the side of the AC cabinet. Use the below dimensions as a Friedrich Chill 5200 BTU window air conditioner, installed in Window Guide when planning. A variety of design and control features help boost this Friedrich Chill's efficiency. It carries an energy efficiency ratio (EER) of 12.2, a high measurement in this size class of AC. This measurement is used to determine how much energy is used while cooling, and the higher the EER tends to mean the more efficient. Additionally, the CP0610B uses the non-ozone depleting R410A refrigerant during its cooling process and features an added exhaust vent control to boost cooling efficiency further.